The joy and happiness that pets bring into our lives is immeasurable. Having a pet can have a multitude of benefits that extend well beyond companionship. From improved physical health to enhanced emotional well-being, pets can truly add value to our lives. In this video clip, we will explore some of these advantages in simple words. Firstly, having a pet can greatly contribute to our physical health. Taking care of a pet often entails regular exercise, such as walking a dog or playing with a cat. This increased physical activity can help us maintain a healthy weight, strengthen our muscles, and improve our cardiovascular system. Additionally, pets can be a source of comfort during illness or recovery. Their presence can provide solace and aid in reducing stress levels, ultimately promoting a faster healing process. Furthermore, pets can significantly improve our emotional well-being. They offer unconditional love and affection, which can boost our mood and mental health. When we come home after a long, tiring day, the warm welcome and wagging tail from our beloved pet can instantly make us feel better. Interacting with animals releases endorphins, or feel-good hormones, which can counteract feelings of loneliness and depression. Having a pet can provide a genuine sense of companionship, especially for individuals who may live alone or struggle with social connections. Pets can also teach us valuable life lessons, particularly in terms of responsibility and empathy. Taking care of another living being requires commitment, and pets rely on us for their well-being. Whether it is feeding, grooming, or providing medical care, being responsible for a pet can teach us essential skills that can be applied to various aspects of our lives. Moreover, having a pet can instill a sense of empathy. Understanding and meeting the needs of an animal can enhance our ability to understand and empathize with humans as well. In addition to their immediate benefits, pets also contribute to the overall social fabric of our communities. They serve as conversation starters, allowing people to connect and bond with others. Walking a dog in the park, for example, can provide an opportunity for social interaction with other dog owners. Pets can bridge gaps between individuals and foster a sense of community, as there is always a shared interest in the well-being of animals. On a deeper level, pets can also provide us with a sense of purpose and meaning in life. They rely on us for their happiness and well-being, creating a sense of responsibility and purpose. This can be particularly valuable for individuals lacking direction or struggling with mental health issues. The bond formed with a pet can provide a sense of fulfillment and motivation, as we strive to offer them the best life possible. In conclusion, the benefits of having a pet are truly remarkable. From improving our physical health to enhancing our emotional well-being, pets bring immeasurable joy to our lives. They teach us responsibility, empathy, and provide opportunities for social interaction. Ultimately, having a pet can provide us with a sense of purpose, companionship, and happiness that can positively impact every aspect of our lives.